Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and if you've heard of Goldfaden before, you've probably heard of their facial products, but this right here is their hand cream, and it is just as excellent as their face products. Now, I am a mom that is constantly washing and my hands get very dried out. This right here has literally restored my hands. I have been using it for about a week, and I'm gonna show you the consistency. It's very nice and creamy. And what I like about it is that even if you have washed your hands throughout the day, you can still feel the moisture in your hands. It doesn't wash off completely because it actually goes into your skin and provides real hydration. This cream is a little miracle worker because my hands are looking couple years younger. I'm not even exaggerating. It's brightening as well, so that's gonna help reduce any dark spots that you are having. If you are looking for a hand cream to help reverse the clock, this right here might be what you have been looking for. But that's my point of view.